Hi, now we are going to see about the topic is object-oriented programming. So, we are discuss. So, before you want to know the object-oriented programming using Java, we have to discuss about these are the things. First, we have to see the history of the evaluation. Second, things overview and basic concept. Third one is features, advantage, and application. Then we have to see the main point of the Java development kit and JVM. Simple Java programs, the example we can be discussed. Then data types and different type of data types and dynamic initialization, scope of the lifetime of variables, type conversions and casting, different type of operators in used in Java, then control statement and loops and array. These are the concept we are discussing in the unit 1. Then if, go to the history and evaluation of the first heading. The most of the heritages of followed the concept is mainly used for define the uniquely missions we combine with the best element to provide the software. So you have to be incorporated with the linked with the online of environment of the internet. You have to be considered as a programming language to provide the best application platform independence. So in that case we are developing the Java. So if you are creating the programming applications in programming language, we have the main source when the concept is based on the to adapt to change the environment and users and implement the refinement and improvement of the art of the program. The two cases is mainly considered. If you have to be use the same problem, same thing, it can be applicable for the different application environment can be run whatever you written code. Then refinement improvement might be accepted by the adapted by the particular programming language. The main concept of the two things is mainly adapted from the Java. So the Java is retrieved from the base of the programming language is considered as a Java is related to the C++ and a direct descent of the C. So the main concept of the C is Java is derived they mainly derived from the syntaxes. The object-oriented features are derived from influenced by the C++. So many things we are developed Java versions are developed. So we are considered as a Java development kit. So many different type of versions and year by we have it developed. So the list is created here JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1. Then different type of the versions are developed. Last of the is Java SE of 8 March in 2014. So now is the 26. We have updated Java SDK of 25K we have available here in the if free you can be downloaded. Then overview of the basic concept of Java is originally is developed by the Sun Microsystems, is initiated by the John Goslings. So the advancement of Java is widely popular because of the configurations and is suitable for the different type of platform. For example, J2EE enterprise applications. So many applications we are created for in the Java. J2EE for enterprise application, J2ME for especially for the mobile application, Sun Microsystem. Now it's renamed by the J2 versions, different type of application we have. So what is the purpose we are using the Java is you can be write once and run anywhere in the platform you can be run get the output. So it's easy to learn, so easy to design, to easy to use. So many features are right using the Java writer code. So current situations we are many companies are currently still they are using a Java application to develop the applications. Java is mainly based on the object oriented. So we can be create the modular programs and reusable code. Once we have to be write the code, we can be used in the multiple web. And Java platform is mainly considered as a independent. So why we are so the Java is the advanced and efficient compared to the other language because it is a simple, secure, portable, object-oriented, then robust and multi-threaded, neural, interpreted, high performance and distributed and dynamic. So compared to the what is a simple means it can be easily understood by the program, easy to learn, is used effectively. So is the derived from the most of the C and C++ concepts only. So is easy can understand, but Java cannot be using the pointers. Secure and the Java is achieved the production of configuring the secure by using the applet methodology. It can be easily secure, portable. The same code must be work on the all the computer then the is say platform independent. You can be run the code anywhere in the different platform. The object oriented, the Java is the source and mainly depend on the creating of the object. The object is extended to the based on the object model. The robust in adjusting effects to eliminate the error-prone situation, embossing mainly to compile time error. So we can be checking write a code. We can be easily identify the error in use of the compile time error. Multi-threaded enable to use write a program can do many tasks simultaneously. You can be write a task in different type of tasks. You can be assessed simultaneously and concurrently. Is easy to write a code. Architecture neutral. It can be central issues in the Java designer that we ask that code alongly portability. So you write once and run anywhere. So that Vora approaches can be used in the architecture in Java. Interpreter Java enable the creations cross platform. It can be used because of your using the Java virtual machine can be used to interpreter. Robust means if eliminate the error pro situation same as the compile time error, runtime error can be checked. So high performance is compared to the previous year programming language. Java is providing the high programming effective performance compared to because the translate directly the native of the machine's core. High performance can be achieved by the just-in-time in compiler. The distributed, it can be distributed environment internet because our TCP/IP protocol support the remote method innovations RMI. It enables the program to invoke the method across the networks. And dynamic is involving adapt involving the environment is a, already we discussed about the platform independent. That way as dynamic it can be changed easily. So what is the advantage of the Java means object-oriented programming? Write once and run anywhere. Security, network-centric programming. So write once you have write a code, so it can be used in anyone because it's a platform independent. Security means if you allow the user to untrusted code cover network, they run it a secure environment because they are using the applet to provide the security. Network-centric programming, it makes unbelievably easy to work resources across the network. They create a network-based applications. Although client-server multi-tier architecture can be network can be used to develop the Java applications. What are the applications means standalone desktop consoles based on applications, standalone GCI, GUI based application we can be created, then web applications, applet serverless, and distributed applications, database application, and client server applications. So many applications are currently we are used in using the Java program also. These are the difference between this why we are using C, C++, and Java. So many different cases are there. C uses the header files, Java uses the packages. C uses the pointers but does not support the Java. Java does not support any storage classes or to externals. Then Java C language is converted to machine code after the compilation of the Java code first. Convert into bytecode, then after the converted into machine code. So we have the JVM instead of we are using to convert the machine language. C++ supporting the operator overloading, but the Java does not support operator overloading. Instead of you are using the overriding. C++ multiple inheritance can possible in Java. Classes cannot inherit the features from the two classes. In other, Java does not support any multiple inheritance. Then Java use the import statement include contents of screen instead of hash include. Java does not use any go to. The Java does not have the structure. Java does not have any structure of the union and enum data types. Different type of is not supported in the Java also. Mainly we have to be going through the object oriented programming language. You must be able to know what is about the Java development kit is main thing. Is a package is include the knowledge number of development tools, a hundred of classes, Java standard library, API and methods. Everything's packed in the stored in the is a work as a container. So in this container, this tool application is mainly used for the Java. JDK is developed the Sun Microsystems. It contains a Java runtime environment and development kit tools. It is mainly used for the run Java applications. JDKs provide the tool the user to inherit the execute the applications after everything's helpful from there. For example, JDK instead of have the bundle of the hundreds of classes and standard libraries. For example, Java compiler, Java JDP, Java header, Java document, applet. There are so many things are examples available. First, we have to be going through the Java development kit JDK, Java C and Java P. Java C, the Java compiler, it compiles the Java source code into the bytecode. The compiler is converting the Java source file code into the first. We have to be converted to the bytecode. Then Java is an interpreter execute the file to a compiler. For example, you have to give Java compiler Java C, then you have to be given the Java file name. The Java extension you must be saved. Java P is the file disassembler. Disassemble the class files output depends upon the used and Java P options using the class file name. JDP is a database. Is based on the it is a debugger. It helps to find fix the bugs in Java language programs. Then Java H is a header, so it's a file generate the produce the header file can be supported. For example, Java H options a class file name can be supported. Then Java documents, Java API documentation generate. For example, different type of APIs connected to the Java program, Java documents. For example, the syntax is Java document option package and source file. You have to be given like that. Applet viewers, applet viewer command allows you to run the applet outside of the browsers mainly used for the HTML formats. So we will continue in the next part. Thank you.